There is no need to sharpen your EasyWood tools. When one side of your cutter gets dull, you can simply rotate it to a fresh edge. When all sides are dull, you simply replace your cutter. To rotate your cutter, take the hex key that came with your tool and insert it into the mounting screw to loosen. Rotate the cutter to the new side and tighten the screw back down with the hex key. Do not crank down and over-tighten the hex key. It is designed for minimal pressure. To replace your cutter, insert the hex key into the mounting screw to loosen and remove. Place your new cutter onto the toolbar in the cutter slot and use the new mounting screw that came with your genuine EasyWood Tools replacement cutter. Insert your hex key into the mounting screw and tighten back down. Do not over-tighten or crank down on the hex key. It is designed for minimal pressure. Make sure the mounting screw is free from debris, glue, sap, or shavings prior to inserting the hex key. You can use compressed air, the tip of a paperclip, or glue remover to clean out your mounting screw. It's important to always use a new mounting screw when replacing your cutter. A new screw is always supplied with our replacement cutters.